Hello, I Anand Jain from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan welcomes you to your favorite Shridevi Classes YouTube channel where we inculcate interest and confidence in science, engineering and architecture subjects. Today in our playlist of architecture green buildings, we'll once again describe bamboo as green construction material. In this second learning video, we'll explain all construction related properties of bamboo like strength, durability, cost effectiveness, aesthetic value, and effect of climate on bamboo. In good detail, we'll also understand what are the challenges in using bamboo in our building construction. For other information about bamboo as green material, you can refer our first video that is given in description. So let's start. Bamboo is a natural, affordable, sustainable green construction material. Its popularity in construction industry has been rising due to its versatility in applications. Bamboo can easily be cultivated and harvested in a short time and can immediately be utilized. So that makes it almost renewable. Bamboo can be grown without use of pesticides or fertilizers, and when bamboo plant is harvested, a part of stalk and root system is left in the forest and land itself, and that stimulate the root system and promote the regrowth of plant. Because of its extremely fast growing rate, we can say bamboo is an almost infinitely renewable construction material and a valuable resource for our environment conscious new world. In bamboo application, due to integration of advanced technologies and some prefabrication process and techniques, bamboo is poised for a promising bright future in our construction material area. The strength of comes their straightness, smoothness, lightness combined with strength and hardness, good amount of hollowness makes bamboo ideal material for several construction applications. The facility and regularity with which they can be split make them very suitable for numerous construction related products and purposes. Bamboo can be used for walls, support structure, roofs, floorings, bridges, stairs, cabinets, wall coverings, room partitions, and much more construction applications. Let us understand strength of bamboo. Technically, bamboo is a fast growing Poaceae family grass, and in between two nodes in internode region, bamboo poles are hollow on the inside, but due to septa structure at node, bamboo got very good stability. If we understand cross section of bamboo, then it says that bamboo got short lengthwise fibers arranged in a typical manner to provide good enough strength to bamboo clumps, which makes bamboo clumps particularly sturdy, resilient and flexible. And with time, when it become dry, it become harder. So we can say bamboo is a lightweight construction material with exceptional strength. The hollowness in internode region provide lightweight to bamboo, and its strong thick wall provide good enough strength, and at node the typical structure provide stability and strength to bamboo clumps. We can say bamboo got a combination of both compressive strength just like concrete and tensile strength just like steel. So this material bamboo got dual property of concrete as well as steel. This makes it a very suitable material for building bridges and other structure that require support and stability. But if a bamboo column or a bamboo beam do not have a node at both ends with this typical cross section, the bamboo may crush. So while selecting column height or beam length, we have to select a typical bamboo with node at both ends. Bamboo building structures can have very good flexibility and resilience, and that make them very suitable with their lightweight ideal construction material for seismic active areas for building construction. Bamboo can withstand heavy loads as well as extreme weather conditions. Bamboo pole can be used as a columns or beams in a construction of any house or other building, and bamboo provide a strong and stable structure to that construction. Let's understand durability of bamboo. Bamboo is naturally resistant to water damage, decay, or other weather related wear and tear during cultivation and up to harvesting. And if it is properly treated and dryness is ensured, it can remain strong and sturdy for many applications year without much maintenance. If bamboo is properly used in dry state and treated for sugar removal, it can also resist pest, rot attack, and that make a very durable and long lasting application of bamboo in any construction project. If after water leaching of bamboo clumps, if they are treated in borate solution and then a slow and steady uniform drying process is carried out, then with that proper treatment and afterwards little maintenance, bamboo structure can last up to 20 to 50 years, and some structures are in existence after even a longer period. Bamboo is also very cost effective in construction industry. Bamboo is considered as cost effective material due to its fast growth rate, low maintenance during cultivation and harvesting, and versatility in several construction related applications. After harvesting, treatment and installation of bamboo for construction work is fairly simple. It is easy to cut. There is no bark to peel during process. Bamboo also grow in many regions around the world, and being very light in weight, it is ideal to handle, transport and to store. So we can say bamboo is a highly renewable, fast growing and very economic raw material for our future construction industry. Bamboo is also a eco-friendly material used in our construction industry. Bamboo is absolutely renewable source that grow very quickly and can be harvested without causing damage to environment, as it won't need chemical fertilizer or pesticide during its cultivation. Bamboo has a unique ability to absorb and convert carbon dioxide into oxygen from the atmosphere. So this got a negative carbon footprint, and when it reduces carbon dioxide from our atmosphere, it also helps in controlling global warming and climate change. So we can say when bamboo is used as a construction material, it got less carbon footprint by our construction project, and that make it an effective tool to mitigate the problem of climate change. High demand of bamboo for construction industry is no problem related to its availability. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on earth. This incredible plant grow between 3 to 30 centimeter per day. That means some of the bamboo variety can gain 1 meter length in just a week, and many species are fully grown after only few months, and at which point they may measure up to 40 meters in height. This means that there is an abundant supply of bamboo to sustain the growing needs of construction industry. Bamboo also got a great aesthetic appeal. Bamboo has a unique and attractive appearance that can enhance the visual appeal of any building. It can be used in various ways, such as structural elements of column, beams or roof, or it can be used as flooring or wall cladding. When bamboo is used in construction, it can create a warm and natural look, and this natural position of bamboo complement many architectural style of building construction. Due to its strength, resilience and flexibility, bamboo is an excellent choice for construction of arches, curved roof and other architectural feature that require a certain degree of flexibility. The flexibility of bamboo allows it to bend and curve without breaking. Bamboo can be carved, molded and arranged into any desirable form due to its light weight and flexibility, and that can produce eye-catching, aesthetic, appealing structure as shown here. All bamboo products used as wood substitute, whether they are bamboo panel board, bamboo veneers, bamboo corrugated roofing sheets, or bamboo particle boards, all got appropriate physical and mechanical performance in terms of hardness, stability, strength, and durability. And bamboo is replacing wood in several areas, and they all are gaining attention in this new eco-sensitive emerging market. And bamboo products got great opportunity in various applications. Bamboo also got some disadvantage when used in building construction, and one should take care of those disadvantageous conditions. One such disadvantage is susceptible to deterioration. Bamboo got high starch and sugar content, and if in working environment where bamboo is used in construction, if level of sap or humidity is high, then even during cultivation plant is rather vulnerable. And if bamboo is not properly treated and maintained, bamboo is susceptible to termite and pest attack, which can weaken and destroy its structure and strength and durability. So when bamboo is used, it must be properly treated, and it must be washed and rinsed in flowing water and then treated in borax water that can remove its sugar and starch content. Then bamboo has to be completely dry before one use that in construction, and one good way is drying bamboo in natural air with uniformity and slow rate. So in considerable duration of 3 months to a year, bamboo get thoroughly dried, and then it is quite rugged and durable when used in any building construction. Another disadvantage of bamboo in building construction is climate sensitivity. Bamboo is a tropical plant, and it is not suitable when it is used in those areas which are extremely cold or extremely hot temperature regions, and in those conditions it may get brittle and there would be crack formed in bamboo clumps when it is used in very cold climate, and those cracks ultimately destroy bamboo structure. Bamboo also get warped or twisted when used in a hot climate with high temperature conditions. Cost also become a considerable factor in bamboo application, especially when it become quite costly. When bamboo is used in construction, only matured bamboo of 4 to 6 years with proper drying and borax treatment can be used in construction, and such matured bamboo tree after proper treatment and drying become quite costly, and in those conditions bamboo can become more expensive in certain areas than conventional traditional building material like cement, concrete or steel. Bamboo construction also become costly when specialized techniques and skills are required to make bamboo joints and bamboo structures. Bamboo got lower natural durability against attack of fungi, insect, and if one has to enhance durability and lifespan of bamboo construction, he has to treat that bamboo, and treated bamboo is expensive, so that makes bamboo construction costly in certain areas. So there are some challenges associated with progress of this eco-friendly construction material bamboo in present building applications. One challenge is sourcing of good quality durable bamboo, that too in large quantities. Another challenge is lack of awareness and expertise among designer, architect, engineers and building regarding bamboo applications. Bamboo is also difficult to work with as it is prone to splitting and cracking if not properly handled and treated. Bamboo clumps are irregularly shaped, not of standard length, and they won't have any uniform thickness. So standard design construction with bamboo clumps become difficult. Formation of secure joints between irregular ends of naturally grown bamboo poles is a challenge. The structural efficiency and strength of those traditional joint is also low, and we need technical development, lot of research to produce more effective jointing method in bamboo construction. We can summarize challenges which are ahead of bamboo application, which we have to face before bamboo become a popular building construction material. One is increasing durability of bamboo construction. Presently, if bamboo is not properly maintained and treated, its life remains only 5 to 6 years, and for a good durable building structure we need bamboo durability up to 50 years, and for that we have to properly treat and maintain bamboo before using that in building construction. We have to develop efficient jointing systems so that strong durable structures of bamboo can be produced with ease and efficiency. We have to develop prefab systems so that irregular unstandard bamboo in length and diameter and thickness can be grouped together to produce standard structure items. We have to also build capacity of artisans so that skilled worker for bamboo structure work can be made available to any construction site. Also, in urban areas, we have to improve acceptance of bamboo in building construction. Lack of awareness among all end users, designer, architect has been the bottleneck that inhibiting bamboo from taking right position in construction industry. We have to focus on modern technology and have to provide requisite financial support to expand bamboo market in construction industry. Next two example of bamboo construction can give an idea of bamboo's future in building construction. This impressive loom yoga temple demonstrate flexibility of bamboo as a sustainable and strong building material. Now this 5-volt like roof structure give an appearance of an upside down flower, and it give a great aesthetic and natural appeal to yoga practice in this structure. This is a modern twist of building construction on bamboo. This is a tower block that contain 200 flats, and this construction is in progress in Vancouver, Canada, which is entirely on bamboo and wood, and this construction is using prefabricate modular construction method, and in the end it become a natural pleasant habitat to its resident. In conclusion, we can say bamboo is a sustainable, durable and aesthetically very pleasing green building construction material. We can sum up as bamboo is one of the most versatile, promising and eco-friendly construction material. Indeed, the future of sustainable architecture design and green building construction largely depends on production and utilization of bamboo. As when bamboo is cultivated, it absorbs more tons of carbon dioxide than any other tree, and due to its extreme high growth rate, it is almost renewable. The booming market for bamboo could be a boon to our environment. When bamboo is used in large quantum in construction industry, it will be cultivated and harvested in more amount, and that will reduce carbon footprint in our environment and will definitely help us to mitigate adverse impact of global warming and climate change. So bamboo will become a top choice for eco-conscious homeowners and architect simultaneously. We hope this second learning video on bamboo along with its first part has completely explained key properties and consideration of using bamboo as green construction material. We hope this will enhance use of bamboo in building construction. Our other learning video of this green playlist are equally useful, and if you found them suitable, do like them and share them to your friends. Happy learning. Have nice time. Thank you very much.